You meet someone you actually like. The conversation goes well. You think, I should message them. And then you don't. And the friendship never happens. Most people think you're just not trying hard enough. They're wrong. 1. Opening up feels unsafe. Making friends requires showing someone a part of you that hasn't been checked first. For most people, that happens without thinking. For you, it doesn't. At some point, being open cost you something. A friendship that ended badly. A moment where you showed someone who you were and regretted it. And your brain learned one thing. Stay on the surface. It's safer there. 2. You can sense when connection isn't real. You can have a great conversation with someone you genuinely like and walk away feeling no closer than when you started. You can be in a room full of people and still feel completely alone. That gap isn't in your head. It's real. Most people don't notice it because they're comfortable on the surface. You're not. And that's actually a sign of something, not a flaw. 3. You talk yourself out of reaching out. The chat went well. You thought about messaging them. You nearly did. But then, it's probably too soon. They're probably busy. They probably didn't enjoy it as much as I did. That's not shyness. That's your brain protecting you from a rejection that hasn't happened yet. Here's the thing. Most friendships die in that gap. Not because people don't like each other, but because one person talked themselves out of closing it. 4. But here's where it gets complicated. Some people tell themselves they struggle with friendship, when really they just haven't found the right environment. Offices, parties, group chats, places where staying on the surface is the whole point. You're not bad at friendship. You're bad at small talk dressed up as friendship. Those are not the same thing. 5. You would be one of the best friends if people got that far. Loyal, deep, the kind of friend who actually shows up. The problem was never you. They just never stayed long enough to see it. The friendships that work for you form slowly, in quieter moments, with people who also want something real. They exist. You just haven't been in the same room yet. You're not broken. You're not unfriendly. You just need something most people don't know how to give. If this explains something you've wondered about for a long time, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe. There are more patterns like this one.